Yeah! What's up? Lunar here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some jackets and kicks that I thrifted not so recently. Varies from a few years ago to a few months ago. I'm going to just be showing you some of the pickups that I got. And yeah, let's get to this. So first here, I want to show you guys, it's a Guess jacket that I got. Guess denim. I got this from Buffalo Exchange. I'm not even sure how much this cost me. I think I paid about $15 for this. Guess. It's a fresh, light colored denim jacket. It's light, you can see through it. It's fire. Denim pickup. I got some more denim pickups. This one I got recently. This one I got probably a few months ago. Damn, it's hot. Let me get some paper towel. Okay, I'm back. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so this next pickup I'm gonna show you guys. It's an older pickup. I got this years ago. This Wrangler jacket. You know what? Let me keep that hang on. It's fire. Denim. This whole, I didn't buy it like this. This happened over time with some wear and tear because I used to spam this jacket all the time. I haven't worn it in a while because of this hole, but I'm finna get it patched up. Probably gonna make a Lunar Coven patch, throw it right on there. But yeah, I spent, well honestly I don't even know how much I spent on this since it's so fucking old. I'm not sure, but let's get on to the next pick. Next pickup. This one, very recent. I got this a few weeks ago. Coca-Cola jacket, dumb fire. It's like a NASCAR race jacket. Dumb fire. NASCAR race jacket, Coca-Cola. As you can see. Wait, actually, this jacket, I probably paid, I think I paid $10 for this, 10 cash. This Coca-Cola jacket, fire. Alright, next here we got this yellow Nautica jacket. The naughty, got the naughty. Stacking up on the naughty, by the way. Yellow Nautica jacket, and I paid exactly $0 for this. I was at the Goodwill, I picked up a bunch of other stuff. This didn't have a price tag on it, so the lady was like, you know what, just take it, don't worry about it. I'm like, okay, fine, I'm gonna take the naughty. Take that shit for free. Okay. Now next we have here, I don't even know this brand, but of course the leather jacket, the biker jacket, fire. I got this from Buffalo Exchange for like 25 cash. Shit is hard. I only rocked it like once or twice so far, but this right here, fire. And for the last jacket here, I have this Eddie Bauer jacket. I bought this years ago. I rock it all the time. All the fucking time. You see it's a little worn, a little beat up. This is one of my favorite jackets, like a trench coat. Eddie Bauer. Now next, I have some sneaker pickups. But I'm only gonna show you guys three sneaker pickups, right? Hold on, I gotta sneeze. I got 3 sneaker pickups for y'all. First, I'm gonna start with these Uptowns, black and purple Uptowns. I don't know if they have a special name or anything, unaware, but they have this really nice leather material that goes with my biker jacket. Damn near same kind of leather. And also the purple checks on these, they're reflective, so taking pictures, whoop, 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 get that M3 reflection. Fire. Next, I got these Olympic Dunks. Excuse me guys, I'm kind of sick. I'm kind of sickly. But next I got these Olympic Dunks. Red Olympic Dunks. They're pretty beat up. I got them years ago. I used to rock these all the times. Nah. It looks like I kick rocks in them. But still fresh. I got these around the time the Red Octobers came out. Where did I buy these? Somewhere in Soho, some thrift store in Soho. I got these probably for like 40 cash, $40. But they're fire. This was a style for a little while. Oh, before I forget, these joints was $22 in Buffalo Exchange. 22 cash for some Uptowns, Buffalo Exchange. They were in way better condition, but I worn them a lot. The straps are flimsy now, you know. I kind of overdid it with these, spammed them. Now lastly, what we have here, some Jeremy Scott Adidas. I got these a while back, and I think the store's called Tokyo 7 in Soho. It's a thrift store, but it's a high-end thrift store. They only sell like Alexander McQueen, Y3, you know, they got the Givenchy in there. It's all used thrift stuff, but very high-end, very high-end. But yeah, these, I haven't rocked these in a while. They're kind of a half size small for me. I wear size 10, these are 9.5, so they're kind of crampy, but I just had to pick them up when I seen them. I forgot how much I paid for these. They were kind of a lot for a thrifter. I want to say I paid like $80 for these, but I'm not sure. I might let these go. I might clean them up and let them go, or I might hold them because I'm not sure if they're gonna be rare in the future. But yep, Jeremy Scott Adidas. I bought these when Jeremy Scott was on fire. Haven't really rocked them in a while. Last time I rocked them, I think I went to a Princess Nokia concert and I drank too much Henny and I threw up everywhere. So that's it. That's my pickups. I'm gonna be doing this more often. This segment is gonna be called Style Before Fashion, and you're gonna see more pickups. I still got more stuff. I just want to keep it limited right now to some of my jackets and some of my kicks. Next week's episode, I'm gonna try to get some new stuff for y'all and show y'all some more of my old stuff. But right now, we about to get into the fits. I'm gonna try on some fits. With these, I'm gonna mix them up with some clothes I have already. Show y'all how I rock these things. So let's get on to it. Let's try these on.